Hello. Well, I'd just like to show you this little under cabinet light. Under cabinet, it could be used anywhere, I suppose. Really, wardrobe, be good for that. Anyway, it's actually not bad at all. I think there's 14 LEDs, 7 either side. It's got a metal back and 2 small magnetic stick-on pads that you can stick on to wherever you're going to mount it, and then it just attaches to that. I'll show you that in a moment. But it has got a PIR. I can't remember the angle now, but I've tried it and it's quite wide. I think it's 170 degree, and it works from about well, a good 10 foot anyway away. But yeah, it's very thin. It works well. It's got a little USB charge there, so it doesn't take batteries. It's built-in battery. I've used one of these before, and it takes it takes AAA batteries, 4 of. I put rechargeable ones in, but they don't last that long. It works okay. It's quite bright too. But I just wanted something that I didn't have to keep recharging the batteries in, taking it off, and this, I thought I'd give this a try. It seems to do the job, actually. It's actually quite bright. On the other end is a power switch. If I press it just the once, you'll see it lights up, and yeah, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 LEDs. They do come in different sizes. I think there's a shorter one, but I know there's a longer one. Yeah, so like the first press, it's just on permanently. If you press and hold that button, you can dim the light so it's not so bright, which is quite good. And if you press and hold again, it goes to full brightness. If I press it just one more time, it'll flash. Now that is in auto mode, and the PIR will detect any motion. Won't work now because it's too light. Yeah, it's too light. It won't work now. A third press, and that turns the unit off completely. So we got on. It seems to stop on once it's been activated, and it detects no movement. It seems to stop on, yeah, for a good 20 seconds. And like I say, if it detects movement, well, it seems to stop on. But charging it's easy. It comes with a little charge cable. It ain't very big, but it's pretty standard. You could use a longer one, I suppose. You could even, I suppose, wire this in permanently if you're near a USB outlet. But if we plug this in, you'll see the light turns red there, which means it's charging. When it's fully charged, it turns to green. I'm not sure yet how long the batteries last in them. I haven't put that to the test yet. But it can be taken off and charged up as and when. It's quite easy. If I just show you those attachments. So I put it under a cupboard. And if you can see here, 2 little metal plates with M3 stickers on the back, so it just attaches on there like that, which is quite good. And like I say, it holds it well enough. So yeah, it's not a bad little thing actually, is it? I mean, neat, tidy, and doesn't cost a lot either. How much did I pay? I think I paid about £6 for this. I think it was about 6. Wasn't a lot. Doesn't really say much on the box. Some instructions there, but doesn't need to, does it? You know what it does, and it does it quite well. So there it is. The under cupboard, under cabinet, wardrobe, put it anywhere. Rechargeable PIR LED light. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.